Elderly farmer found dead outside St. Elizabeth home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An elderly man was found dead outside his home in Red Bank in Junction, St. Elizabeth on Sunday morning. He has so far been identified as Alberto Powell, a farmer who is believed to be in his 60s. Residents reportedly found the now deceased lying on the ground behind a three-bedroom concrete structure in a pool of blood. Residents summoned the police, who saw Powell's lifeless body lying on its back with what appears to be a wound to his throat. He was clad in a colored track pants, a blue and white long-sleeve jogging type shirt, blue and white colored polo brand sneakers, and a white cap. Powell was reportedly last seen alive around 4:30 p.m. on Saturday at a neighbor's home. One of the back doors to Powell's house was half open, the police said. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.